What's up, you guys? It's Preetham here. So you guys have watched how the outside of my apartment looks like, but today is a sneak peek of how my inside apartment looks like, and it's really cheap. And I also stay with one of my roommate, and we divided everything for the household cost and stuff like that. So as you can see, this is the main door, and outside it's really like you saw it before. If you didn't saw it, go check that video. And as soon as I enter from here, then you will see a door here. Here are all the orders and vacuum cleaner, all the stuff that we order from Amazon and stuff like that. And after that, you will see this is the refrigerator magnet. Here is a bunch of pictures and bunch of comments from our friends, my girlfriend, and there is some ref magnets and stuff like that. That's the kitchen, very small one. And also that's the oven. And step forward, here is the sofa right there, and that's the studio and the study setup. If you see my videos, like how I made it, I got that as a gift. And yeah, I got the sofa for free also. One of my friends just moved out, so he gave me the sofa. And here is a TV here, and we use a bicycle. That's mine, and that's one of my friends, that roommate that I have sharing the room apartment. And here's the cool stuff. Here is the washing machine and dryer. That's the restroom. And here is our dorm style bed. He is at work right now. You have seen him with one of my vlogs. And that's my bed right there. That's a fan over there, and that's the closet. You can see it's a bit messy, but it's okay. And yeah, so that was the sneak peek tour of my house. I will see you guys shortly. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.